Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video I share with you some country farmhouse cottage decoration ideas. Let's see the video. Country farmhouse cottage decor is a home decorating style that blends rustic, cozy and charming elements to create a warm and inviting living space. It combines aspects of country, farmhouse, and cottage design to achieve a homey, lived-in feel. Here's a detailed breakdown. Mix old and new. Combine vintage or antique pieces with modern, simple furniture. Example, pair a reclaimed wood dining table with modern chairs painted in soft pastel tones. Layer textures. Use a mix of textures to make a space cozy. Linen curtains, wool or cotton throws, crocheted pillow covers, jute or sisal rugs. Focus on the kitchen. Farmhouse kitchens are a central furniture. Open shelving with neatly arranged dishes, wooden cutting boards, and rustic utensils on display. Mason jars for storage of grains, pasta, or herbs. Use natural and handmade decor. Incorporate handmade crafts like crochet dollies or table runners. Wooden sinks with inspirational quotes. Wicker baskets for storage or decoration. Keep the color palette soft. Stick to creams, whites, light grays, and soft pastels. Emphasize cozy corners. Create small nooks for relaxation. Armchair with a throw blanket and a small side table. Window seat with cushions. Reading nook with a vintage lamp. Bring nature inside. Add greenery to create freshness. Potted plants or hanging planters. Red flowers in vases. Herbs on the kitchen windowsill. Lighting matters. Go for warm, soft lighting instead of harsh light. Lanterns, candeliers with candle-style bulbs, and table lamps enhance the cozy feel. Keep it functional. Farmhouse style values practicality. Furniture that doubles as storage, like a trunk or bench with storage. Baskets and shelves to keep things organized while looking charming. Use distress finishes. Furniture with worn, chipped, or whitewashed finishes adds authentic farmhouse charm. Look for cabinets, tables, or picture frames that feel lived in. Incorporate vintage finds. Thrift stores, flea markets, or antique shops are treasure troves. Old wooden crates, vintage pictures or teapots, retro clock or lanterns. Layer rugs. Use multiple rugs in different textures to create warmth and depth. Example, layer a soft wool rug over a natural jute rug for a cozy look. Add farmhouse style hardware. Small touches like black iron handles, rustic knobs, or barn door sliders can elevate cabinets and doors. Display collections. Showcase themed items in open spaces. White enamelware plates or bowls, mason jars or glass bottles, wooden boxes or vintage kitchen tools. Layer soft lighting. Use multiple sources of light. Ceiling fixtures for overall light. Table lamps for task lighting. String lights of fairy lights for cozy accents. Use patterned fabrics. Mix subtle patterns, gingham, checks, or floral prints. Soft stripes for cushions or curtains. Avoid overly bold or modern prints. Rustic wall decor. Use wooden sinks, framed botanical prints, or farmhouse style mirrors. Consider a wall gallery with vintage frames or old tools as decoration. Embrace simple, functional decor. Avoid clutter but allow items that are practical to also be decorative. Wooden bowls for fruit, wire baskets for magazines or blankets, crockery displayed on open shelves. Create cozy bedrooms, layer bedding, quilts, throws, and pillows in soft fabrics and muted colors. Include a rustic bench or trunk at the foot of the bed for added charm. Outdoor connection. Extend the style outside. Wooden or old iron furniture on porches. Potted flowers and herbs, rustic planters and garden lanterns. Emphasize open spaces. Farmhouse cottages feel airy and inviting. Use wooden accents everywhere. Wooden beams, shelves, picture frames, and even small decorative pieces like candle holders and warmth. I think these tips help you. Thank you so much for watching the video.